Understanding chest cold, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the home of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack a common English phrase, chest cold. Whether you're battling the sniffles or simply want to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and clear the air around this chilly expression. A chest cold refers to a mild respiratory infection affecting the lower part of your respiratory system, primarily the lungs and the airways leading to them. It's not just any cold. It's specifically about the symptoms you feel in your chest. You might hear people saying they have a chest cold when they have a persistent cough, difficulty breathing, or mucus buildup. When someone says they have a chest cold, they are often experiencing several symptoms. These include persistent coughing. This is the body's way of trying to clear the airways. Production of phlegm or mucus. This can be clear, white, yellow, or greenish. Mild chest pain or discomfort, caused by frequent coughing, wheezing, or a whistling sound when breathing. This happens if the airways are constricted. Understanding these symptoms can help you recognize when someone might be talking about having a chest cold. Now, let's put our phrase into practice. How can you use chest cold in a sentence? Here are a few examples. I think I'm coming down with a chest cold. I can't stop coughing. My doctor said it's just a chest cold, so I need to rest and drink plenty of fluids. She's been off work for a few days with a nasty chest cold. Using the phrase correctly will help you communicate more effectively about health issues in English. It's easy to confuse a chest cold with other types of respiratory infections, like bronchitis or pneumonia. While a chest cold is usually a mild condition and often clears up on its own, other infections may require medical treatment. If the symptoms are severe or last for an extended period, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. We hope this video has warmed you up to the phrase, chest cold, and helped you understand how to use it in everyday conversation. Remember, expanding your vocabulary can be a powerful tool in mastering the English language. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, stay healthy and happy learning.